Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 5 best kids kick scooters in 2026, where safety, design, and fun converge. Stay with us until the end to discover a surprising performance winner and expert tips that could change how you choose the perfect scooter for your child's riding confidence. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Besrey Kick Scooter for kids ages 3 to 10. A thoughtfully designed scooter that combines safety, style, and fun. Stay tuned until the end to learn why this scooter could be the perfect riding companion for your child's daily adventures. The Besrey Kick Scooter is built with safety as a top priority. Its extra-wide deck features an anti-slip coating for steady footing. The widened base supports up to 110 pounds, while the sensitive rear brake and soft handlebars provide excellent control and confidence during every ride. This scooter stands out with motion-activated LED PU wheels that light up without batteries. The faster kids ride, the brighter the lights shine. These eye-catching wheels add excitement, improve visibility in low light, and make every ride feel fun and special. The lean-to-steer system allows children to control direction by gently leaning instead of turning handlebars. This intuitive feature helps improve balance, coordination, and overall riding skills, making it ideal for young riders who are still developing confidence and motor control. Parents will appreciate the fast-folding design that requires no assembly. The scooter unfolds in one easy step and folds quickly for storage or travel. Its lightweight structure makes carrying simple, whether heading to the park or storing it at home. Certified by ASTM and EN71 standards, the Besrey scooter has passed thousands of safety tests. With a reassuring 2-year return policy and responsive customer support, parents can feel confident choosing this scooter for long-term, worry-free use. Overall, the Besrey Kick Scooter offers a smart blend of safety, innovation, and fun. It's a reliable choice for active kids and peace of mind for parents, making it a strong contender in today's kids' scooter market. Number 4. The SKIDEE Kick Scooter for kids ages 3 to 5. Designed to grow with your child, this scooter blends safety, fun, and smart features. Watch until the end to see why parents and kids alike consider it a standout choice. The SKIDEE Kick Scooter is designed to adapt as your child grows. Its adjustable handlebar ranges from 25 to 33 inches, while the removable seat supports early learners. Combined with lean-to-steer control, it transitions smoothly from a toddler scooter to a confident rider's favorite. Safety is at the heart of the SKIDEE scooter. A sturdy frame, wide non-slip deck, and stable 3-wheel design help children ride with confidence. Lean-to-steer technology limits sharp turns, while the responsive rear brake ensures secure stopping during everyday playtime adventures. Motion-activated LED wheels make every ride exciting without requiring batteries. As kids move faster, the wheels glow brighter, adding visual fun and improving visibility. These light-up wheels encourage active play and make riding safer during evening or low-light conditions. Weighing only 10 pounds, the SKIDEE scooter is easy for parents to carry, fold, and store. Its compact, foldable design makes it ideal for travel, park visits, or school runs, offering convenience without sacrificing durability or performance. Built to last through multiple growth stages, the SKIDEE scooter delivers long-term value. Its adjustable design, durable construction, and engaging features promote confidence, balance, and active play, making it a thoughtful gift for both indoor and outdoor fun. Overall, the SKIDEE Kick Scooter combines safety, adaptability, and playful design. It's an excellent investment for young riders, offering lasting enjoyment and peace of mind for parents seeking a reliable, fun-filled scooter. Number 3. The 3-wheel scooter for kids ages 6 to 12, a smart choice for growing riders. Designed for stability, comfort, and fun, this scooter helps kids build confidence. Stay with us to see why it's ideal for beginners and active kids alike. This 3-wheel scooter offers greater stability than traditional 2-wheel models, making it perfect for first-time riders. Using lean-to-steer technology, kids learn how to balance and turn naturally. The stable design helps young riders gain confidence while developing essential coordination and steering skills safely. Built with a stainless steel base and aluminum alloy pipe, this scooter is designed for strength and long-term use. The 5.3-inch wide nylon deck provides solid footing and supports riders up to 154 pounds, ensuring durability and safety as kids grow taller and more confident. The scooter features 4 adjustable height settings, making it suitable for children ages 3 to 13. Kids can comfortably grip the handlebars at the right height, promoting better posture and control while riding. This flexibility ensures the scooter grows along with your child. Equipped with 4 PULED light-up wheels and smooth ABEC7 bearings, this scooter delivers an exciting and smooth ride. The bright wheels activate while moving, adding visual fun and improving visibility, which helps keep kids safer during evening or low-light rides. Parents will love the simple assembly process. Just insert the handlebar and secure the red pins. When not in use, the handlebar easily removes from the deck, making storage and transportation quick and hassle-free for busy families on the go. Overall, the 3-wheel scooter for kids ages 6 to 12 combines stability, durability, and fun features. It's a reliable option for beginners and growing riders, offering safety, comfort, and excitement in one well-designed scooter. Number 2. The TONBUX Kids Scooter, a light-up 3-wheel kick scooter designed for children ages 3 to 12. With smart safety features and playful design, this scooter stands out. Watch until the end to see why parents and kids love it. The TONBUX Kids Scooter is designed to grow alongside your child. With adjustable handlebar heights ranging from 24.5 to 34 inches, it provides a comfortable riding position for toddlers and older kids alike. This flexibility ensures proper posture, better control, and long-term usability as children grow. Safety is a top priority with the TONBUX scooter. Its newly designed stem double lock system offers greater strength and stability compared to traditional collar clamps. This upgrade enhances durability while giving parents peace of mind, ensuring kids enjoy a secure and reliable riding experience every time. The scooter features 3 motion-activated PULED wheels that light up as kids ride. These bright, colorful wheels add excitement while improving visibility in low-light conditions. With no batteries required, children enjoy smooth, eye-catching rides that are both fun and safer during evening play. TONBUX makes life easier with its 1-second folding mechanism. The scooter arrives fully assembled, allowing quick unfolding and storage. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel, school runs, or small spaces, making it convenient for busy families on the go. The lean-to-steer design helps kids turn safely by shifting their body weight, improving balance and coordination. A wide anti-slip reinforced deck and widened rear wheel with brake provide excellent grip, stability, and smooth control for confident riding. Overall, the TONBUX Kids Scooter combines safety, adjustability, and fun design in one reliable package. It's an excellent choice for growing children, offering smooth rides, bright visuals, and confidence-building features parents can trust. Number 1. The Gotrax KS1 Kids Kick Scooter, a lightweight and beginner-friendly scooter designed for young riders. With glowing wheels and smart safety features, this model stands out. Stay with us to see why it's a great first scooter. The Gotrax KS1 features 3 LED-equipped wheels that glow brightly as kids ride. These lights instantly capture attention and make riding more fun. More importantly, they improve visibility in low-light conditions, helping parents feel confident, while kids enjoy safe, eye-catching evening adventures. Designed with lean-to-steer technology, the KS1 allows kids to turn by gently leaning, helping them develop balance and coordination naturally. The handlebar offers 3 adjustable height settings, ensuring a comfortable fit and allowing the scooter to grow alongside your child. This scooter is incredibly convenient for parents. By pressing the red button on the stem, it easily disassembles for storage or transport. Weighing only 5.1 pounds, the KS1 is light enough to carry and compact enough to fit neatly in a car trunk. Equipped with ABEC7 bearing wheels, the KS1 delivers a smooth and stable ride, even on slightly uneven surfaces. The wide anti-slip deck provides secure footing, while the rear mudguard brake ensures reliable stopping for added safety during every ride. Gotrax backs the KS1 with a 1-year manufacturer's assurance, reflecting confidence in its durability. Responsive customer support is always available, giving parents peace of mind and ensuring any concerns are handled quickly and professionally. Overall, the Gotrax KS1 Kids Kick Scooter is a fantastic choice for beginners. It combines fun visuals, safety-focused design, and portability, making it an excellent option for kids and a worry-free purchase for parents.